to be a little bit out of the ordinary for me. It's a little bit different than what you guys have typically seen. I had big plans to sit down and do a favorites video and update you guys, and life got away with me. So today I'm sitting down to give you a life update video and where I might be video. If you are new around here, first I would love if you subscribed and followed along with my channel, but you may be seeing on my channel more recently, kind of, to me it's a little strange. If you are not on mobile, how it comes up on a computer is very weird. It's like a black box with this little video in the middle. That little video is YouTube Shorts or YouTube's version of Reels. Now, if you don't want to watch them here on YouTube, I do post these same videos, shorts, Reels over on Instagram as well. So the reason I wanted to get on is I am not going to be making videos again until July, maybe the first or second week. It will depend. Nordstrom anniversary sale starts like in the middle of July this year. So we will see. And the reason for that is we are moving. And if you have been around here since the brick wall days, do you remember those old school days of like, it was literally my computer camera and like just some regular lights, and it was like unedited and it went up. That was back in the day of YouTube, right? When everybody did it that way. Now it has evolved so much. But with that being said, we are moving. So if you are not familiar with this, is we actually live in Maryland currently, in the northern part, just about 30 minutes north of Baltimore. And we have a home in Cape Cod, Massachusetts, in a little town called Chatham. And I live there every summer. So I typically went on the day that MJ got out of school, and we went back the Monday of Labor Day, sometimes the Sunday of Labor Day, for him to start school the Tuesday or Wednesday after Labor Day. And that drive for us here, anytime we wanted to go spend a weekend at that house or just get away for a little bit, was an 8-hour drive each way. So we would have to take MJ out of school maybe for a Friday and then come back on a Sunday, but it was 16 hours essentially of driving between the back and forth. Now in the summer that wasn't so bad because I just stayed there. Marty had to come back and forth every once in a while, but it wasn't too bad. Since COVID started, a lot more of it is virtual. And in that time we had lived at our house at Cape Cod for 18 months. Now a lot of people ask, why aren't you moving to your Cape house? First of all, love that house, but there is something about it when I go over the bridge to get onto the Cape that I just go, ah. And if we lived there full time and year round, it wouldn't have that same allure, that same feeling, that same magic. So we had made the decision to try to find a home in Western Massachusetts. So we will be about a 2.5-hour ride on a good day when you don't have like traffic and things like that. And we have Marty's family is out that way. We have a ton of friends that way. His sister is actually going to live, I think it's about 5 blocks from us. Some of our best friends will live 3 blocks from us. And then some of our other friends live in the town over. And Marty's brother and sister-in-law live about 2 more towns over. And his parents are about 15 minutes, I want to say, maybe 20 minutes from us. So we're not going somewhere that we're not familiar with, or we don't know people, or we don't know family. We've been going to that area, and he grew up in that area. So my family is here in Maryland, but I will still be coming back for my med spa. If you have followed me for any period of time, I've been going to them since I was 32 years old. If you are in the Maryland area, Belcara Health, hands down the best. I will be coming back here every 3 months. I'll just stay with some family, with my mom, and go for my appointments, but that'll also give me the opportunity to see them as well. So I'm gonna put a picture in here, right here, so you guys can see the new house. But I am super excited, but it has been crazy with packing. This weekend, when you are going to be seeing this, we actually leave on Saturday night to go to the Bahamas until Wednesday for Marty's work, which was planned long before we bought the new house. We have already settled on this house. This house is already sold, and this house they are letting us stay in until MJ is out of school. The new house, when we get back from the Bahamas, we then have to go back up to Massachusetts and we have to settle on the house there, but we won't be moving in right away. We're going to be like doing little things like redoing the floors. We have to add some things and adding a fence, like some AC, things like that. So all of those things will be done while we're not in the house. And then we move June 15th from here. End of school is June 16th. They'll be moving us in up there on the 16th, and the 16th after school, MJ will be driving up there to meet Marty. He's going to be going on the 15th with the dogs up there and staying with his parents so that he's there with the movers. But I had all these plans to do all these things and it just did not work out. I didn't have the time to do the videos. I did record a video, by the way, because you guys had asked previously, that's not how I did my hair today, on the Dyson and how I'm using it. And so I have that, but it's not going to go up for a while because I don't have the time to sit and edit and link and all of that kind of stuff, unfortunately, with the move and with us being away. It is definitely an exciting time. We are very excited for it and we are ready to be there. So our plan is to stay there for 2 weeks and unpack as much as we can. Then for July 4th week, go to the Cape and we will stay there through September. Now, being only 2.5 hours away, we will pop back and forth more often for some things we want done or maybe some things going on, but it will be a much shorter trip. But with that being said, is for June, I just need to focus on getting this house packed up and unpacking there. Once I'm at the Cape and settled in, I'll be going back to my more frequent videos of once a week. So those are my life updates for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video, and please bear with me. I will be coming back in July, starting with Nordstrom again. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe and follow along here. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing day to day, definitely go follow me over on Instagram as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me as always, and have a great day.